Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. Today we are going to study the unit 3 of biology, that is biodiversity. Our today's topic is the impact of human beings on biodiversity. Student, in our previous lecture we have discussed or studied that biodiversity is playing a magnificent role in making and maintaining of our ecosystem and environment. But there are certain human activities which are posing serious threat to the biodiversity. Some of the human activities which are creating bad impact on the biodiversity are deforestation, pollution, overhunting, introduction of some new species, and loss of habitat. All these activities result in extinction of some species from the ecosystem or becoming a risk of extinction to that species or making that species endangered. Here the question arises, what is the extinct species? The answer is that the species which is no longer found or exists in our ecosystem is known as extinct species. Student, you have seen dinosaurs in many cartoon movies or programs. Student, dinosaurs no longer found in our ecosystem or environment, so they are considered or counted as a extinct species. Student, now we will discuss about endangered species. Students, the species which are at the risk of extinction in near future are known as endangered species. Some of the examples of endangered species of Pakistan are Indus dolphin, Khobara bustard, the national animal of Pakistan, that is markhor, is also among the endangered species, and panda is also included in endangered species. Now, we will discuss some of the human activities that are producing or creating negative impact on the biodiversity. Number one is deforestation. What is deforestation? It is the process of cutting down of trees for the purpose of urban development. Students, deforestation always results in habitat loss of many species, and both these factors contribute to the risk of extinction of many species. Next is overhunting. Overhunting has been a significant cause of the extinction of many hundred species and endangerment of many more, like Khobara bustard, markhor is facing a overhunting pressure. Next is introduction of a new species. Students, when we introduce a non-native species, it always results in the endangerment or cause of extinction of a native species. Last one is pollution. Pollution from chemical contaminant certainly poses a great threat to the species in an ecosystem. Students, the conservation of biodiversity has become a global concern. Though rich in biodiversity, Pakistan today faces severe threat for its biological resources. In order to conserve its biodiversity, the Pakistani government has been working with some of the international agencies like WWF and IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Few examples of environmental work that has been carried in Pakistan by these agencies are: number one, Himalayan Jungle Project. Pakistani government has started this project in Palas Valley in NWFP, and the aim of this project was to conserve the richest area of biodiversity in Pakistan. Second one is conservation of biodiversity of Suleiman Range. Pakistan has signed this project in 1992 along with WWF, and the aim was to conserve or save the range of Chilgoza forest in Suleiman Range. Next project is conservation of Chiltan Markhor. Student, you all know that Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan and is facing a threat of extinction. So, the government of Pakistan has started the project for the conservation of Chiltan Markhor. Last one is ban on game and hunting. Pakistani government along with WWF has been successful in imposing a ban on such games in which animal species has been used. Students, today we have discussed the impact of human beings on biodiversity, in which we have discussed some of the human activities that are producing negative impact on the biodiversity. We have also discussed some of the work of international agencies that has been carried out in Pakistan for the conservation of biodiversity. Now it is the time for home task. Student, you have to write 5 projects running in Pakistan for the conservation of biodiversity in your notebook.